Okay, we're getting ready for A-Level Maths Film 5. Now, you need to be able to solve simultaneous equations by elimination. That's what this film is about. And by substitution. That's the next film. And also solve quadratic simultaneous equations. That's the next film. But here we're solving by elimination. So here are my examples. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. Because then I'm going to have 2y's in both of my equations. I'm copying down equation 1. And now I'm multiplying equation 2 by 2 because now I've got equation 1 here and equation 2a, and I can subtract my equations. I'm going to do the bottom equation minus the top equation in this case because that's going to be a little easier. I'm going to draw a line, keep it neat. Right, 10x minus 3x is 7x. 2y minus 2y is nothing. And 22 minus 8 is 14. So 7x is 14, so x equals 2. Right, I'm going to use equation 1 to work out what y must be. I'm writing down equation 1. X is apparently 2, so 3x is 6. So I have this equation here. And so that gives me y is 1. And I'm going to check my answer by looking at equation 2, the original equation 2. 5x plus y equals 11, and checking that my answer for x and my answer for y do indeed give me 11. Yes, they do. And so I'm going to write my solution at the end. And that is the first example of solving simultaneous equations by elimination. Let's look at one more example. Here I've got equation 1. And equation 2, look at these and think what to do. Well, I could multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by 2 and get 6x's in both equations. Why don't I do that? Right, so I'm going to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 2. So that's going to give me 6x plus 15y equals 48. That's equation 1a. And equation 2a is going to be 6x minus 8y equals 2. That's equation 2a. Right, I'm going to do 1a minus 2a. The top one, subtract the bottom one. Keep it easy and straightforward like a subtraction sum. 6x minus 6x is nothing. 15y minus 8y, 23y equals 48 minus 2 is 46. Look at that, y is 2. And now I simply substitute that value of y into equation 1 and see what that gives me for x. 2x plus 10 equals 16. 2x is 6, x is 3. I need to check my solutions, of course. Going back to the original equation 2, apparently 3x minus 4y should equal 1. Let's see what it does equal. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 4 times 2, look at that, it does equal 1. So equation 2, my answers satisfy equation 2 and equation 1, so I can write down my solution at the end. I'll try and write it down correctly. At the end. There we go, x is 3 and y is 2. You can practice these skills by using the bookets and the practice questions and other resources, which I'll post in the comments. If you'd like more help, get in touch, leave a question on the comments, and of course, you can subscribe to me on YouTube, and you can follow me on TikTok.